Good day. My name is Jeric M. Miste. I graduate with Bachelor of Science in International Hospitality Management, specializing in cruise line operation in culinary arts from Lyceum of the Philippines, Batangas. I previously worked cook apprentice at Juan Carlo Cater, where I assist the chef of food preparation, cooking, and maintaining efficiently kitchen operation in professional catering environment. I also gained hands-on experience during my internship in Dulcinea Restaurant and Crown Regency Beach Resort, supporting kitchen team in preparing ingredients and ensuring quality meals for our guests. In addition, I hold several TESDAC certification including Cookery NC2, Commercial Cooking NC2, Ship Catering NC2, and Event Management NC3. Along with the maritime safety passenger and service training such as crowd control management and crisis management for passenger ship. With culinary training, certification, and experience in professional kitchen, I'm eager to contribute my skill and continue learning and provide excellent food service in international hospitality management.